Hello from Slovenia. So, year is coming to end and I want to do a reverse flower dip today for somebody that inspired me at the first place. A lot of YouTube artists, pouring artists inspired me, but the first one that I watched was Annemarie Ridderhof. I hope that I pronounce it right. And if you know her, you know that she loves turquoises, so I will do some turquoise flower today and some VanDyke brown and I will not use burnt sienna, I will use this burnt quanicradone orange, and I mixed this one today to see how this will work. I mixed gold, Winsor & Newton gold, with pearl medium. So, and today I will start my flower from the middle to the outside and see how this will work. So I just want to see where the middle is. So this is the middle. I will just add a little of this mixture here just to have an orientation. So it's like a champagne color. So, and I will start with this dark turquoise blue. And I didn't do it okay because I should have done my browns first, because I start in the middle. So, but now I already did and I have to deal with it. So let's see. So I will go with champagne. I will call it champagne next. And some quanicradone burnt orange. I love this color, it's so beautiful. And VanDyke brown. And I have this sky blue mixed with pearl. Turquoise. Green shade of turquoise. And pearl white. And this deep blue turquoise. didn't do this one, okay. And now I will go here and here and here and here. I know that sometimes it may be boring to watch me do these dots, but I enjoy this process too, because it's so relaxing for me. Just love it. I love to watch what is happening when I put these paints on. So, but if you don't like this part, you can fast forward. So in these days I will put a poll into my community tab, so we can discuss about what hour should I do my live videos next year when I will start. It's almost there, so you will be able to vote, and then I will try to do my best that the more of you can participate. To it. So just have to add some paint here in the middle too, I think. And I'm just thinking to maybe add, and I just see that I don't have enough white paint here. Two puddles here, because it should look a little off-centered, maybe, if I will do it like this. We will see. This is the first time that I do it this way, so I don't know how this will turn out. Turquoise, pearl white, oops. And this deep turquoise. I hope that I will get a little different shape of a flower because of this, because I did it a little differently. Now I will spray my paper towel with water. I still have to put it down, but that I will have my center where I have my center spot on the canvas. So okay, and spread this one first, and then I will go like this. Just tap gently, not too much. You don't want to press this much, so just gently touch it with your fingers. And this is something that it's relaxing too, if you ask me, when you feel pain under your fingers. So let's see. This will work as I think it should. This time I will grab it like this. It's different, but I'm not sure. About it. Here, have to. I love the colors. Where did I get all these hairs? They're from my cats. Another one. So. Colors are beautiful together, and these effects here, I will show you, I just love them. But not completely satisfied again. I almost I'm almost never completely satisfied. Beautiful lacing, beautiful effects, but I don't like the composition. So, but it's still kind of cute, so I will leave it and take you for a close-up. See these effects with the sky blue mixed with pearl and this deep turquoise and turquoise. Just beautiful, like, I don't know, some kind of ice on the outside of the petals, and this quanicradone burnt orange is beautiful too, and the center is cute too, but as I said, I'm not sure about the whole composition. Maybe I will do another one with these colors because I like them, but this one was meant to be for Annemarie, so I will publish this one just like it is. And thank you again for your inspiration that I start my acrylic pouring journey and my channel and everything else. And thank you all for being so kind to me this year, and hope for a more beautiful time together in the next year. So happy new year and see you next year. Bye.